Hello viewers, in this video I will talk about a very useful tool known as Quillbot. A Quillbot is a very useful tool for all those who are doing research or writing thesis or are writing PhD dissertation. So it's a very useful tool for all of those. So the purpose of this tool is to paraphrase any sentence or any paragraph. So in this quick video I will show you how you can use it. First of all, you can open the website of the Quillbot by just writing Quillbot in the Google. Okay, here it's the link. Just click over here. So the website has opened, and the second method is you can download the Quillbot extension. Okay, here is Quillbot for a Chrome. You can add the extension from here. Okay, so there are two methods to use it, so I will show you how you can use it from direct websites. First of all, here as you can see, you can write the any sentence or any paragraph. So for example, I want to paraphrase this paragraph. I will copy from here and then paste here. So as you can see, I have pasted the paragraph here. I will just simply click here. Okay, now you can see a lot of words has been changed in the paraphrased paragraph. Okay, so there are a couple of more options in this website. You can select or drag the level of synonym words from left to right. If you drag it on the left side, then less words will be paraphrased, and if you drag it from the right side, then a lot of word will be changed. Besides that, there are different features in this website: standard, fluency, formal. All these are for premium version, so for free you can use only standard and fluency. Hope it helped you. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.